Hi, welcome to Massive Loop. In this video, I'll keep it simple and teach you the basics. Let's get started. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open up our menu by pressing A or X, or you can see the tab right here. Go ahead and open that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the tools. We have some other tool sets here. We're gonna start by using the spawn, and we're gonna spawn one of these objects. You can click them by using the index trigger. All right, now that we spawned up an object, we're gonna take a look at how to scale and move the object. We're gonna go ahead and start by using the hand trigger button to grab the object, okay? And followed by a hand and trigger will bring the object closer to you. You can also scale the object upwards by grabbing it with two hands. Another thing you can do is to rotate and push the object by using the hand trigger to grip and using the joystick to push the object forward and backwards. Another thing you can do is you can use the click button, the joystick click button, to rotate the object or flip it. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the movement settings here. We got the walk by default, and you use it by pressing the joystick forward and backwards, or left and right. You can also change it to use with teleport, allow us to teleport. Same thing, you just hold the joystick down, and it will allow us to teleport. The point where the green blob is where you're gonna teleport to. We also have another setting called a lock height. If you use that in conjunction with a walk, you can fly upwards around the map. You can also use teleport back to the ground. Now that you know some of the basic tools, our next video will explain how to put those tools to use and how to use scripts to animate your world.